When it comes to evaluating the durability of vinyl flooring, N649 sets the industry standard. This European classification system measures a floor's resistance to wear, determining how well it stands up to prolonged abrasion. The top rating, Group T, is awarded only to flooring products that demonstrate outstanding durability, making them ideal for high-traffic and industrial settings. At Y.H.F, we are proud to offer ESD vinyl flooring sheets that meet this demanding Group T classification. Our carbon-free static conductive flooring 2100 series is engineered with dense homogeneous construction and durable UV-cured surface treatment, a combination that delivers superior resistance to scratching, scuffing, and long-term wear. This robust material design ensures that our ESD static control flooring maintains its appearance and integrity even under the harshest conditions, reducing maintenance costs and extending service life. For projects that demand exceptional wear resistance, Y.H.F provides a high-performance solution backed by proven compliance with the N649 standard. Choose performance. Choose durability. Choose Y.H.F, where quality meets longevity.